guys, so I want to show you my brain rot change to a brain rot. So let's get into it. I'm gonna join my friend's private server. So yeah, let's do it. Okay, I'm joining. Okay, you see I'm all alone in the server. Join me. See I'm all alone. Telling my friend to join me, bro. But I have this brain rot called Giraffe. So then this Sammy Spider and the secret. Then this I don't know how to say it, but this is a secret. Then another brain rot code. And here's my girlfriend. The brain rot code. Tralalelo tralala. So yeah. And then Frico Camelo. And then Frico. So I actually have pretty good stuff because tonight there was an admin abuse. So yeah. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you. Bye guys.